WITSON.
Hi guys, Rob from Icebox also here today. Just going to show you today's install. Not much on the market, I'm afraid, for this car, but obviously we've put a universal 10.1 inch screen in here to Mercedes-Benz Citan. If you're looking at that and thinking, where's my air conditioning? Dials, easily done. Just lean it forward and you have full access to it down there. But as I say, there's not much on the market in terms of OEM style, so obviously we've put this one in today. This is our Android, let me have a little look in a second. This is our Android 12 system with a core processor and 232 gig of RAM. You can increase the RAM if you wish, but obviously if you're familiar with our videos online in YouTube, you'll see a lot more extensive videos for the Honda Jazz, the Honda Accord, which we did last week, which has got this screen and interface in there. So I'll just keep it short today, guys, because as I say, the customer's got to get off. The maps that you've seen on them before was Citan, which was one of the ones that the customer wanted on there, but obviously this is a paid app, which you have to pay £20 for this one here. You do get a 7-day free trial with it, but if you this is only wanted this one because it was an offline map, but there is plenty on there in terms of Google Maps, and there's also CarPlay and Android Auto built onto the system, so you can bring your maps from your phone. We put Waze on there, but again, it's not online map, so you will need to connect your phone to it. So if you've got any questions or interest in the product, give us a shout. We'll put the link and the model number in the description down below and our contact details. Get in touch with us anytime. Thanks very much, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.
WITSON.